The vast ocean supplies the world's population endless and varied kinds of fish and seafood, offering us all a healthy and delicious food source. Hokkaido, Norway, and Western Australia are all famous for their ocean products. Now Yantai, a city located in Jiaodong Peninsula of China, is growing rapidly as a major production area well known for its skill in production and top quality. China has become the biggest producer of oceanic products, producing over 1/3 of the world's fish and seafood. RTL takes Yantai, China as its #1 production base for its fish and seafood supplies, with its strategic plan global perspective, aiming to develop its brand and establish an integrated network of purchasing, processing, and production. RTL's goal is to develop an international, comprehensive seafood and fish partner you can rely on for the 21st century. RTL, a global, multinational company that has strong partners around the world within its supply chain. RTL was founded in May 2010. Although a relatively new company, RTL has very experienced staff operating within the seafood industry for many years. RTL, since its inception, has operated globally for its purchase and sales with various fishery enterprises and deals mainly in the following products: cod, Alaskan pollock, redfish, hake, haddock, yellowfin sole, and many other species. RTL's factories can produce fish and seafood products to a very high standard for the food service, primary processors, and major retail chains, and as such can pack as the customer requires, whether its own branding and any style of retail pack, whether vac packs, seal trays, etc., etc. We can also produce sauces, marinades if the customer should require it. RTL's UK office is located in the Lancashire coastal town of Southport. RTL is devoted to progressing development together with its customers in Europe, very much as a hand-in-hand approach, as a long-term goal. With people's continual search for a nutritious, healthy diet, fish and seafood are also much more important. These days, the diversity of the world's oceans offers so many healthy options. The global demand for fish and seafood increased rapidly, resulting in a change in the seafood market. RTL predicts the future with its foresight and adjusts its strategy accordingly, offering alternative responsible resourceable species competitively priced. RTL pays concentrated attention on creating the most safe, nutritious, delicious, and convenient seafood. RTL's large processing base in China will all have worldwide accreditation, such as MSC, BRC, IFS, HACCP, Kosher, BSCI. Among them, Shandong Yongkang Food Company Limited in the leading enterprise in seafood processing in Yantai, covering an area of 50,000 square meters for supplying RTL its seafood, fish, and a finishing department of 10,000 square meters and a cold storage of 30,000 meter per tons. 7 sets of nitro tunnel freezers and 10 sets of horizontal plate freezers. The factories of RTL persist in the management of quality and reputation come first. They apply advanced management modes and monitoring system. Our own inspectors monitoring all RTL production to customer specifications, producing in excess of 100,000 tons of finished products per year. RTL has its own exclusive raw material purchase channel and several fishing fleet contracts. All cargoes are pre-inspected by our own people. RTL raw material is sourced from Russia, Japan, USA, Norway, Iceland, Canada, and of course China. RTL is opening offices in strategic areas where our inspectors can be at the vessel and various cold stores around the world, quickly checking raw material for size, quality, freshness, etc., etc. RTL and Ocean Ecology achieve collaborative development of the seafood business and ocean ecology. Key is green sustainable fish and seafood always. The pure green ocean production lays a solid foundation for stabilizing product quality and service standard, as well as meets the developing need of RTL's global business. RTL's future perspective is developing to be world leader in creative seafood design and production for the 21st century and beyond. Our bywords are timely and accurate services, and service comes first.